Alright you guys, so we are jumping straight into this wig review today. You guys, I'm super duper excited for today's wig review because we're switching it up today. We are not doing a lace frontal wig review today. That's right, yes, I said it. We're taking a little break from the lace front wigs because I really wanted to come up here and show you guys another different beginner friendly style. I'm taking y'all all the way back to the wigs I used to wear when I first started wearing wigs. I'm talking about middle school. When I first got into wearing wigs, I wasn't wearing lace front wigs at all. I was wearing half wigs. So without further ado, we're just going to jump right into this wig. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Boss Babe wig from the Sensational Curls Kinks & Co collection. If you guys have not seen the best wig ever, and yes, that's right, the best wig ever by this collection, the Curls & Kinks & Co collection, I will link that video to this video. That is the angel face wig from this collection. That wig has been the bomb. It's definitely been the bomb. But so today we're actually going to get into Boss Babe. So I did pick her up in the number 4, and she is in a nice blowout shoulder length style. She is supposed to mimic, I believe, 3B hair. Yes, so she is supposed to be for 3B or 4C hair texture, and I did get her in the style number 4, and she is a half wig. So I'm going to go ahead and open her up. Oh my goodness, that thing just smacked me in the face. So this is what the stock card looks like a little bit close up. And Boss Babe also comes in the color 99J, Auburn, Chocolate, Mocha, TB 127, and TB 130, and also a nice burgundy ombre color. Here are all the colors on the stock card. And then on the inside, there's just a little bit of information about maintenance. I'm gonna go ahead and take the net off so you guys can see the construction of Miss Boss Babe. Again, she is a half a wig, so there is not any lace on the front of this unit. You don't have to worry about cutting lace off. So that's good if you do not want to mess with lace whatsoever. Definitely start off with some half a wigs. Now she does have a comb at the top portion. And we also have a comb at the nape section, so you do have some security, so the wig is definitely not going to be able to go anywhere. And you also have adjustable straps in Miss Boss Babe as well. So if you do have a smaller head, you are able to adjust her to make her tighter. And if you just want some extra security, you do have the comb in the front and the comb in the nape area. Now typically with the half wigs, I normally do part my hair from ear to ear, have the front section, and like do a little comb over. But today we're going to do something a little bit different. So the first thing that I'm going to do is slide my wig cap back so we can expose my edges. And I'm actually going to pick out what hairs that I want to help make the front of the wig. So this is going to kind of replace that lace frontal look by actually pulling out your edges. So I'm just going to take the end of my little edgy brush and comb and just pull out the edges that I want to use today. That sounds so weird. Mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Ooh. Alright, you guys, so today I'm going to be using the second touchdown edge tamer to actually lay my edges down. Alright guys, so once you have your edges laid down and your cap pulled back, you just want to go ahead and take that first comb in the front, and we're going to push that right here in front of the wig cap. So again, I'm just gonna take the wig and just push that front comb right into the wig cap. And now we want to keep it close so that way when we put the headband on, it does cover this line of demarcation. And I'm just going to pull the wig down over my wig cap. And we're going to use that second comb and secure the back of the wig cap, the back of the wig. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my headband and place this right over top of the wig. Ooh, that was super tight. And really the key, you guys, to actually hiding the wig is making sure that you fluff out your headband so that way it covers that line of demarcation. And voila, there you go. You got your half a wig on with your nice cute little headband. Now you can also add some bobby pins to the sides just in case you're worried about the headband slipping on, but literally once you place the headband where you want it, it's not gonna go anywhere. Literally, that's all you have to do. And this takes about 5 to 10 minutes and you're out the door. You don't have to worry about no glue, no edge spray, nothing getting crusty and dusty. You literally don't have to lay anything down, cut anything, or pluck anything, and still have a nice, cute hairstyle. Alright, you guys, so my final thoughts on Miss Boss Babe is, I mean, she got me feeling like a boss babe, okay? Like, literally, this definitely does look like my hair if I got it nice and blowed out. Yeah, like, I'm just really feeling this wig. It definitely was a very quick installation, so if you are in a rush and you need something quick to throw on, this is definitely the wig for that. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the pros of Miss Boss Babe. Definitely the texture, even though that it is supposed to mimic a 3B to 4C texture, the wig is super duper soft, you guys. Super duper soft to the touch. I'm able to just run my fingers through it, and that's one thing that I really love about this unit. Just because it is short, it does give you that nice natural look. It's very lightweight, very breathable, so it's not heavy at all. So another thing that I like about the Boss Babe wig is the security on it. Literally, this wig is not going anywhere. I literally wore this wig all day long today while I was at work, and my headband did not slide anywhere. I didn't even apply any bobby pins to secure the headband in place, so literally it's there. It's not going anywhere if you're worried about your wig slipping back, just because it's not the same setup as a lace frontal wig. It's definitely not going anywhere. You have a lot of security with the comb in the front and the comb in the nape area. Only con about Miss Boss Babe is the cut. As you all can see, the ends are pretty straight but kind of curved. Like, it's not an even blunt blob. Oh my goodness, it doesn't give you that blunt bob cut, but it is more of like a natural looking haircut. So I do like the cut far as the looking natural, but for me personally, I would have preferred the ends to be a little bit more blunt and even and straight. So I think I might actually go in and actually cut the ends a little bit, but other than that, that's literally my only con about the wig. All right, you guys, so I have been receiving just minimal shedding. This is literally 2 pieces of hair for me, just raking my fingers through it. But other than that, I have not received any shedding from Miss Boss Babe, and it does not tangle. So for it to be a shoulder length wig, and for it to be brushing against my shoulders, my collar, jackets, everything like that, it does not really tangle. I haven't had any tangling issues. Literally, I could just brush this wig one time, throw it on, and it's good for the rest of the day. So I really do like that about the Boss Babe wig. Like I said, it's very lightweight, so it doesn't really feel like you have a wig on. But yeah, my only con is definitely just the actual cut of it. Like, I wish they would have made this more of like a blunt cut bob. But other than that, I really don't have anything bad to say about it. I am going to do a 360 so that way you guys can actually see the back of it and everything like that. But other than that, would I suggest you going to get Miss Boss Babe? Yes, definitely, if you are looking for something that is beginner friendly, something that is easy to work with. And like I said, it's very, very secure. So if you are concerned about it slipping or moving, it's not doing that whatsoever. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a 360 and stop playing all up in her. Alright you guys, that is all that I have for this wig review. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Definitely do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on Miss Boss Babe by Sensationnel. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that way we all can be fabulous together. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so that way you are notified when new videos are uploaded to my channel. And you all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.